1st of May. So it's some time like May 1 to May 7. What would that date be? It's May...
5, siguro.
May 5. Sige. It's May 5. That was a very special day for you. Yun yung unang-unang babaeng delete mo. Tama po, attorney?
Bakit sa akin na?
Sa May 5. May 5. Palapakan natin si attorney. Tapos, attorney, damay-damay na rin to. I want a volunteer kaibigan nyo nila, Marty, yung babae naman ang niloko. Niloko naman? Sino po? Ikaw na?
Si Aya.
Ikaw na po? Sige. Sige. Malakas mo ba yung kutob ko? Is your name is Aya, tama po? Malakas ba yung kutob ko? 100%. 100% malakas ang kutob mo. Sige. I'll try something with you and hopefully, you use your intuition. Sige. You have to use your intuition. I will be writing down something here on my envelope. And using your intuition, I want you to please try to figure out the word that I have written here. The word that I have written here. Use your intuition. Honestly, do you have any idea of the word that I have written here? No? So, yes or no? Any idea, yes or no? 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 Everybody? Ang lakas na ng patul niya. I am reading here the word no. Wala pa nga natin si Saya. I am reading here the word no. Sige, ito gawin natin ni Saya. So since malakas yung patul ko, if you are going to use your intuition and choose a number between 1 to 99, what would that number be? Number 8? Do you want to change your mind? Please. Number 1, ito gawin natin. I have here my notepad sa aking phone. Okay, here we go. I have here my notes. Can I go down there? Yeah. So I have here different celebrities. I also have my shopping list. I do my own shopping, my grocery. I have my top 100 movies that I really like. So let's go to the celebrities. Do you know some of them? Of them in the celebrity list. You know most of them, right? So who's on number 10? It's Sylvester Stallone. You've chosen first. What number? Yeah. You've chosen number 8. If you have stuck to number 8, the celebrity would have been Ben Affleck. Ben Affleck. If you have chosen 1 to 100 to eh. Halimbawa, 100. Sino sa 100? Jack Nicholson. Sino sa 91? Si Prince. So all are different. What?